Dear students, in this lecture we are going to study some standard results. Last time we have discussed the type number 1 related to this standard results. Just recall all the results. See, first result is to evaluate the integration of the form 1 upon x square minus a square dx. Uh, it can be obtained as 1 upon 2a log of modulus of x minus a upon x plus a plus constant. Then second one, integration of 1 upon a square minus x square dx is equal to 1 upon 2a log of modulus of a plus x upon a minus x plus constant. And third one, integration 1 upon root of x square plus a square dx is equal to log of modulus of x plus root of x square plus a square plus constant. And last one, integration of 1 upon root of x square minus a square dx, that is equal to log of modulus of x plus root of x square minus a square plus constant. So all these four results are useful if you have the function in the form of 1 upon x square minus a square, or 1 upon a square minus x square, or 1 upon root of x square plus a square, and 1 upon root of x square minus a square. So this can be used to get the or to evaluate the integration of particular function. So last time we have solved the type number 1, in which directly you have given the term x square and another term as a constant. So if there is a combination in the denominator like x square and a square, then you can use the proper rule here. Okay, now today we are going to discuss the type number 2 related to all these results. So let us see. Now type number 2, suppose for example, if I take example, suppose we have to evaluate the integration of 1 upon 4x square minus 9 dx. See the term here, 4x square minus 9 means in all that result there is a x square and one constant term. So here the coefficient of x square is 4 here, it is given to you. Now how will you modify this to solve this? How will you modify this function? Let us see here. So 1 upon 4x square minus 9 can be written as 2x bracket square minus 3 square. Now this is in the form of the result, that is 1 upon x square minus a square dx. And we know that it is 1 upon 2a log of modulus of x minus a upon x plus a plus constant. But in this result, if you observe, then the coefficient of x square is 1 here. But here in this example, the coefficient of x square is 4 given to you, and that can be converted into 2x bracket square. Now if you want to apply the result here, then how will you apply it? See here, 1 upon 2a, a means here 3, because 9 can be written as 3 square. So 1 upon 2 into 3 into log of modulus of x minus a. Now in place of x, here it is 2x, minus a means minus 3, divided by x plus a means 2x plus 3. Okay, but here as in place of x there is a 2x here. See, in this result there is x square, but here it is 2x square. Now while integrating the term, that is in place of x there is 2x here, then we have to divide by the derivative of 2x. So after getting 1 upon 2 into 3 into log of modulus of 2x minus 3 upon 2x plus 3, we have to divide this integration by the derivative of 2x. Now derivative of 2x is 2, so that's why you have to divide means you have to multiply by 1 by 2 plus constant, where 2 is nothing but it is the derivative of 2x. So totally what will you get? This 1 by 2 can be written here. So 1 by 2 into 2 into 3. So we will get 1 upon 12 log of modulus of 2x minus 3 upon 2x plus 3 plus integration constant. So always remember, if there is a coefficient of x square given to you, then just you write here as it is written as 2x bracket square, then apply the result, and after applying the result you have to divide by the derivative of 2x. If the coefficient of x square is 1, then there is no problem, then you will get as a type number 1. Yesterday we have discussed that in last lecture. Okay, but here in this case we have to divide by the derivative of 2x. So in this case, after dividing, we get 1 upon 12 log of modulus of 2x minus 3 upon 2x plus 3. Okay. Now let us take one more example. I will write here second one. Now suppose if you want to evaluate the integration of 1 upon root of 2x square plus 5. Okay, see here the term 1 upon root of 2x square plus 5. Now see how will you solve this. So I will write under root. Now express this 2x square as root 2x bracket square plus express this 5 as root 5 bracket square. Now after writing this step, it is in the form of the result, that is, all of you know that it is in the form of 1 upon under root x square plus a square dx. Now the integration of this is, we know that it is log of modulus of x plus root of x square plus a square plus constant. So if you apply this result here, then what will you get? It is log of modulus of x. Now in place of x there is root 2x. Remember here, in place of x, if you compare this clearly, then in place of x there is root 2 into x. So here we have to write log of modulus of x, means here it is root 2x plus under root, the same term we have to keep. You can write 2x square plus 5 also, or you can write root 2x bracket square plus root 5 bracket square also, no problem. Plus we have to write the constant, but as here it is root 2 into x, so we have to divide by the derivative of root 2x. So divide by the derivative of root 2x, so that is the derivative of root 2x is root 2. So here we have divided that. Now that's why we get the answer, that is 1 upon root 2 into log of modulus of root 2x plus root of 2x square plus 5 plus constant. So this is the answer of the given integration. Okay, so here if the coefficient of x square is there, then you have to express in the standard form of the result, and then after taking the integration by applying the rule, we have to divide by the derivative of coefficient of x. Okay, so then you will get the answer. So as per the type number 2, that is, if the coefficient of x square is not equal to 1, then we get the result as, see here, integration 1 upon b square x square minus a square dx. Here the coefficient of x square is b square other than 1. Then how will you express that? We can express it as 1 upon bx bracket square minus a square. See here, bx bracket square minus a square. So we get the answer, that is 1 upon 2a. See here, 1 upon 2a into log of modulus of bx minus a upon bx plus a plus constant, but you have to divide by the derivative of bx, that is b. So here totally we get 1 upon 2ab log of modulus of bx minus a upon bx plus a plus constant. So you can remember the rule like this also, where the coefficient of x square is not equal to 1. Now second result, you can write it as, suppose if it is given 1 upon a square minus b square into x square, then what will be the answer of this? We can express this as 1 upon a square minus bx bracket square. See here, only the change is what? The coefficient of x square is not equal to 1. That is the change. Otherwise, the rules are same. So here we get 1 upon 2a into log of modulus of a plus bx upon a minus bx, and you have to divide by the derivative of bx, that is b. So I will write b here. Okay, so this is another result. Means if you compare this second result with the given second result in the standard rules, okay, then you will get the idea about whenever there is the coefficient of x square is not equal to 1. Okay, so you can write like this also. Now third result, you can write it as 1 upon under root, if there is b square x square plus a square dx, then what will you get? Log of modulus of, now here there is bx plus root of b square x square plus a square plus constant, but we have to divide by the coefficient of we have to divide by the derivative of bx, that is b. So 1 upon b into this. So this is the third result. And fourth one, if you want to write, then it will be 1 upon root of b square x square minus a square dx, that is we get log of modulus of, now b square x square means here we have to write bx plus root of same b square x square minus a square plus constant, but as the coefficient of x is b, so we have to divide by b, means we have to multiply by 1 upon b. So every time if you have the coefficient of x square which is not equal to 1, then you have to divide by the derivative. Okay, so all these are the related to the type number 2. Okay, thank you.